Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a message on Telegram. Whether you want to delete a message for yourself or for everyone, I'll guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Next, go to the chat or conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Scroll through your chats and tap on the one you need. Once you're in the chat, find the message you want to delete. On mobile, press and hold the message. On desktop, right-click the message. After selecting the message, a menu will appear. Tap or click the delete option. Telegram will ask you to confirm if you want to delete the message. Once you're sure, tap or click delete and the message will be removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message on Telegram. Whether it's a personal chat or a group message, you now know how to remove it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching,